Okay, my subscribers and fellow farmers around the world, don't forget, good morning from any part of the world you are watching me from right now. And this is Life Again, your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Emeka and Josie Agric. Now today, this is Thursday morning, and we are in our farm again. If you look behind me, you will see the last video I made. I showed us my vegetable farm, and yesterday I think I posted a video on how to apply fertilizer correctly on your vegetable plant, so that to avoid destroying them, because everything that is good, when it is excess, you get disadvantage. You don't understand? So now see it be. So here today, if you look closely, this is still my farm. I have so many beds up in here, all the way up here. All the way up here, you can see. So what are we saying in essence? What I want to show us in this video is very sharp and very quick and easy. Just like I took us through the process, you see, it's very big. I have to stop here because before I could start planting, time was already gone. But we still have to plant, you don't understand? Because everything, even late planting itself, get used. You don't understand? Yes. Because when that season of that thing don't pass, everybody don't go harvest their own. You now, when you harvest your own lately, you tend to make more profit. Because why? The chance of when the thing was much is not there. Now you can sell it at any high cost you want to. So that is the advantages of late planting. So here in this place, this particular bed which you're seeing are my watermelon. This place you're seeing here, I planted watermelon 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you look, my watermelon are doing well. They know they try. They are coming up. God is helping them. You don't understand? So here like this, I have never planted watermelon before. Yes, so I'm just trying it out. And from my research, I found out that it does well under direct sunlight. You know understand? So that's why I choose this place. So I had to make this bed like this. All this always is so. Now watermelon 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 beds you're seeing here are for watermelon seedling, and they're already sprouting. If you check in this video, you will see that they're already sprouting. They don't go far, they have gone far. So if you check in this video, you will see that they are doing well. Just look at the video, you will see they are doing well. They have already started sprouting. So you don't understand? So that is the essence and which what we are doing here that is important. Then also the other side, I have my corn, which I'm going to be showing you guys in another video. I'll be showing you guys my corn farm also in another video. So here like this is my watermelon farm. And if you know how many days or weeks or months it takes for watermelon to sprout, the seed to start sprouting, you can hit it on the comment section in this video. But if you don't know, so I will still want to tell you at the end of this video. Just look at the way they are doing. They are doing fine. You see, less than some weeks and maybe months from now on, they run the worker, it will now start crawling and then covering this whole place. So if you are a new farmer coming into farming for the first time, please diversify your farming. Try to diversify them, because if this one don't work out, this one must definitely work out. You don't understand? So please, I want to see you guys. I know you have been enjoying my videos. You have found my videos informative, educative, and they are worth engaging. You know what to do for us. Please hit the subscribe button. And if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, help us to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video. I would like to see you guys engage with my videos. Till I come your way again, stay positive, stay productive, and start farming today. Stop playing. Alright guys, bye.